Hello everyone, this is Box the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. This is a Chanel style skirt suit. It was made on the basis of the basic pattern. I love this checked black and white fabric. Notice that the fringe was made of fabric cut on a lengthwise grain. This fabric allows doing it. The sleeves are a bit shorter than usual. The jacket itself is pretty long. The angles on the front are round. Notice that there are side details instead of the side seams in this jacket. The side details fit the body perfectly. There are tiny pockets on the front. The flaps on the pockets are decorated with the fringe as well. There is a shawl collar in this jacket. I remind you that this jacket was made on the basis of a basic pattern. This is where the dot was moved. There are no chest darts here. It makes the jacket look very beautiful. I've already showed you how to make side details instead of the side seams. You also know how to make shawl collars and fringe. The skirt is almost straight. Anyway, this is an A-line skirt. It is also decorated with fringe at the bottom. Have a look at the buttons. They match the fabric perfectly. The jacket is lined. And it's edged with facing. It is impossible to overcast such round details. Have a look at the facing once again. Here it is. There are small shoulder pads in the jacket. The skirt is also lined. I've already showed you how to line clothes decorated with fringe. Have a look at the wrong side of this edge once again. I've already showed you how to line it. You know most of the techniques needed for making this skirt suit. There is a seam on the center back. I remind you that there are side details instead of the side seams in this jacket. A customer has a big bust, so we had to put a bra on the dummy. I love this skirt suit. It's made of fabric we sell in my fashion house. I saw some tutorials on how to make Chanel style jackets. People tell you how to make specific types of collars or decorations. Don't listen to them. You know that Chanel style is very different. You can sew and wear whatever you want. Use your imagination. If you want to make a shawl collar, make a shawl collar. If you want to make a jacket without a collar, make a jacket without a collar. If you want to make pockets, make pockets. If you want to make fringe, make fringe. You can make long or short jackets. You can even make very short jackets. When working with Chanel style, you can make whatever you want. I gave you a review of Chanel style. I hope that you liked it. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. Chanel style is very different. Do not forget about it. People often ask if I show real Chanel fabrics or not. Real Chanel fabrics cost about 1,200 euros for one skirt suit or a dress. I honestly think that such fabrics are too expensive. If you can afford them, you can buy them. I love Chanel style. Chanel style jackets, dresses, skirt suits, they are always in trend. This fabric is of a very high quality. It's very soft to the touch. I think that the customer will be happy to get such an amazing skirt suit. I am satisfied with our work. That's all for today. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.